Making your own liquid microbial solution is one of the simplest ways to improve soil health naturally. Instead of relying only on fertilizers, you can introduce billions of beneficial microorganisms into your garden. These tiny living organisms help create healthier soil, stronger roots, and more vigorous plant growth. The best part is that this recipe uses only a few inexpensive ingredients and is ready in about 24 hours. Begin by filling a clean bucket with 10 liters of clean, chlorine-free water. Add 2 cups of plain dairy yogurt and stir thoroughly until it is completely dissolved. Yogurt is naturally rich in beneficial lactic acid bacteria, which serve as one of the main sources of living microorganisms in this mixture. Next, add 1 tablespoon of molasses. Molasses provides natural sugars along with small amounts of minerals that serve as food for the microorganisms. Once mixed into the water, it supplies the energy they need to become active and multiply rapidly. Stir well until the molasses has fully dissolved. Now pour in 1 liter of well-prepared compost tea. Compost tea contains a diverse population of naturally occurring beneficial bacteria, fungi, and other helpful microorganisms collected from mature compost. Stir the mixture again until all the ingredients are evenly combined. Cover the bucket with a loose-fitting lid or a clean cloth. This keeps insects and dirt out while still allowing some air to enter. Place the bucket in a cool, shaded area and let it sit undisturbed for at least 24 hours. During this time, the microorganisms begin feeding on the sugars supplied by the molasses. As they consume this food source, their population increases rapidly. The different groups of beneficial microbes interact with one another, creating a richer and more diverse microbial community. While growing, they naturally produce enzymes and other useful compounds that help break down organic materials. By the end of the fermentation period, the bucket contains a living microbial solution filled with active beneficial organisms. After 24 hours, give the mixture 1 final stir before using it. Apply the solution directly to the soil around the base of your plants rather than spraying it heavily on the leaves. Once in the soil, the beneficial microorganisms continue their work by helping decompose organic matter and gradually making nutrients more available for plant roots. They also support nutrient cycling, improve soil structure, and encourage healthy root development, all of which contribute to stronger and healthier plants. This microbial solution is suitable for vegetable gardens, herbs, fruit trees, flowering plants, and most ornamental plants. Applying it every 2 to 4 weeks, especially together with compost and organic mulch, helps maintain a thriving population of beneficial soil microorganisms throughout the growing season. Keep in mind that this is not a complete fertilizer because it does not supply all the nutrients plants need. Instead, it works by strengthening the living soil ecosystem. Over time, healthy soil biology improves nutrient availability, supports stronger root systems, and helps plants grow more vigorously, resulting in healthier gardens and better harvests.